Hello, welcome. I'm going to take you for a walk through my little house at the IsGood shop in the nation of IsGoodia. So this is my office where I rule the masses, all one of me. I'm going to take you across the hall to my kitchen and laundry. I got this washer dryer, and here's the rest of the kitchen. Very sufficient refrigerator. And plenty of drawer space. Next, my sleeping room, which has my favorite, maybe my second favorite thing. It's this wonderful loft bed. It makes me feel like I'm in a cabin in the woods, except there aren't any woods. Reading chair. Tiny dresser for my tiny lifestyle. One of my handmade lamps from years ago, and my Zindle, which is my key to happiness in these circumstances. This is where I do my detail work with all these specialized tools, wonderful old bandsaw. And this is an overview of the whole shop, the main large work areas, and very important top view of my tiny house. #1 tiny house, flagship of Tiny House RV Rentals LLC, which needs to be completed, and this is a great chance for me to be doing that. So this is it. This is my life in isolation. I miss the people, but I'm very comfortable. And I will be very occupied with all the things that I've been unable to do for years. Completion of projects. Plenty of time to get work on my body and my mind. And plenty of time to grow my appreciation for the people I don't get to see. I do miss the people, and I do love this opportunity. So this is considered by me to be a working retreat. And I'm loving that I get a chance to do that, and that I'm being supported sufficiently by my very generous subscribers. And they do get to hold their hours. That was a trade. But they all, except for one, are staying with me, and they'll get to use their hours when we come back online. So this is it. It's all good. For me, it's all good. There's a lot of pain in the world, but I'm doing fine with this, and I'm happy with the outcome as it stands now.